Most people think that starting a care business means running a nursing home or a massive facility. But what if I told you that there is an easier option? You see, community based day programs are one of the best kept secrets in the care industry. These programs allow entrepreneurs to make a huge impact without the high costs of running a residential facility. Why does this matter? Guys, there is a massive demand for daytime support services for seniors, individuals with disabilities, and those with mental health challenges. But here's the catch: many people have no idea that this opportunity exists. And here's something most people don't realize: you do not need a big building or thousands of dollars to start a successful care business. In fact, some of the most profitable care programs don't even have a fixed location. I know that this is a lot to take in, and you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but where do I even start? If you stay till the end of this video, I actually have a little surprise for you. I put together a free step-by-step guide on how to launch your own community-based day program. And the best part is that it is completely free. So stick around because I'm going to be revealing how to access it shortly. So imagine this, okay? You want to start a business that makes a difference. You've heard of assisted living, but the startup costs and regulations seem overwhelming. You assume that without owning a facility, you cannot get into the care business. And then you discover community-based day programs. A community-based day program is a structured, non-residential service that provides support, skill development, and social engagement for individuals who need daytime care but do not require 24/7 supervision. These programs cater to, again, adults with disabilities, seniors who need socialization and structured activities, and individuals with, different occurring mental health conditions. Unlike traditional assisted living facilities, community-based day programs do not require massive, upfront investments like real estate. Participants either meet at a small central location or are picked up and taken on structured community outings. From a business perspective, this is one of the most cost-effective ways to enter the care industry. Lower startup costs compared to residential care facilities, recurring revenue from, federally funded Medicaid, state funding and private pay, and it's a scalable model. You can start very small with your car and expand services over time. Revenue potential with most starting providers are starting out earning over $80,000 a year with just a single four-seater vehicle, okay? And then they're getting up to, as they're expanding their vehicle, they're getting themselves out of the operation, they're getting direct care staff in, they're making over $150,000 plus with the investment of just one van, okay? So in short, it is a win-win. You provide a very much needed service and you build a profitable mission-driven business at the same time, okay? So community-based day programs are a low-risk, high-reward way to enter the care industry. They provide a meaningful service while offering stable revenue. So again, community-based day programs are a low-risk, high-reward way to enter the care industry. They provide a meaningful service while offering stable revenue through Medicaid, state funding, and private pay models. And right now, there is a massive growing demand for community-based day programs, but there's not enough providers to meet the need. Families are struggling to find care options for their loved ones. Many seniors and adults with disabilities need structured daytime support, but don't require full-time residential care. And most caregivers are overwhelmed trying to balance work, family, and caring for their loved ones. Okay. So, where do you even start? How do you find funding? What's even required? Okay. All right. I know that you see the demand, the opportunity, and why this is one of the most profitable and meaningful businesses in the care industry. So if you're serious about getting started, okay, I've created something very special for you. I've created a step-by-step guide walking you through exactly how to start your own community-based day program. And you can go ahead and click the video right here, okay? Click the video right here, access your free step-by-step guide. It's going to walk you through everything so that you do not have to figure it out alone. Do not wait because this opportunity is growing, and the sooner you start, the better. So click the video, grab your free guide, and I will see you on the inside.